Hi, and welcome to another video featuring tips on how to get the most from OpenCRM. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Today I want to show you how to manage click-throughs in your campaign emails. Our tracking enables you to review how your email recipients interact with the campaign mail shots you send. This includes behaviour such as clicking on links in the email, opening the mail itself, unsubscribing or managing subscriptions. In this video, I'm going to focus on clicks and open tracking. Let's start by looking at the click-through wizard. You'll find this on any email template or email edit screen. Clicking the wizard gives you a range of options. Selecting click-through opens the next screen where you can populate the website you want the recipients to visit. You also have the campaign ID field. If you want to link your click-through to one specific campaign only, then you can use the folder icon to view and select a campaign. If you leave this set to current campaign, then any email you send using this link will automatically track back to the associated campaign, so this is quite a flexible solution. Clicking Generate outputs the relevant click-through code you need. Once that's done, you can copy that code and paste it onto the text or image that you want to use as the click-through. Carry on adding the links until you've completed the template. Adding an open tracking link is even easier. Select the open tracking option. Either choose a specific campaign or use the default current campaign, generate and insert. This adds an invisible image to your template. There's no need for you to do any further with this link. Adding a general unsubscribe works in the same way. Choose Remove Me from the options and generate the link. You'll want to add this to your unsubscribe text in your email. I can demonstrate this on a campaign with a handful of recipients. Schedule and send the email from the campaign as you normally would. Now it's up to the recipients to do their bit. Wherever they have interacted with your email, you can view the results on the campaign. Within the Success Benchmark section, you have a high-level overview of the numbers. Going into the Leads, Contacts or Companies section, you can view those stats in more detail. You can see which links have been clicked and who has clicked on them by picking the link and filtering. You can do the same with the other options on screen to get a snapshot of who has clicked, who has opened, who has unsubscribed. On the list of recipients, by clicking on the Progress button, you can see a picture of how that person has interacted. Based on all the above factors, you can then decide whether to move a group of contacts onto a follow-up campaign, add them to an event, schedule a follow-up call, or whatever your own procedure is for managing campaign interactions. Hopefully, this gives you a new perspective on what you can achieve using the Campaigns module in OpenCRM. Why not get in touch to find out more? Thanks for watching.